Okay, so we're live. Hey, this is Jason Garza. Hey, this is video number 2 in a series that I'm going to be doing where I'm teaching network marketers how to use network marketing sales funnels to get leads for their network marketing company. Um, if whether this is your first network marketing company or you've been in other companies, the name of the game is your ability to get leads into your business. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. You can see up here where I have highlighted in red, you know, whether you're using YouTube, whether you're using a personal blog, Instagram, whatever social media form you're using to attract an audience, build up an audience, and attract people to you by the valuable information you're putting out into the market. I suggest when you're starting, you just pick one until you like really master that one and you're getting a consistent flow of leads. I started out with a blog, and anytime you use a blog, that's more of like a long term type. You're using search engine optimization, and as people are typing things in Google and stuff like that, they're pulling up your blog. And I'm gonna do a completely separate video on that in particular. But for right now, I just want to kind of go over the whole flow of the funnel that I use, and then I'll kind of departmentalize each one of these sections of this network marketing sales funnel in some separate videos. So the way the flow goes is you pick your form of social media where you're going to build an audience. And you can see I have right here, it says that your online leads are going to be going into a capture page. So what you want, what you really want to do is you want to start. The way I've designed my network marketing sales funnel is it's a combination of affiliate marketing and network marketing, right? So the reason that I do it that way is on the affiliate marketing side, you can break even when you're doing paid advertising. In this example right here, your YouTube, your personal blog, Instagram, whatever social media you're using, you can attract and you can get a lot of free leads using that method. And but also at the same time, you can do some paid advertising on Google pay per click or Facebook and drive your traffic to your capture page that is an affiliate offer. A lot of people make the mistake of they'll drive their traffic straight over to an affiliate offer, and they'll send them straight to like the corporate capture page, which has its pros and cons. Obviously, it's less work, and you don't have to create your own capture page. But in network marketing, one of the things that you own and is highly valuable is your list, right? Is your list of names and emails and phone numbers. It's your customer base, just like in any business. So when you create your own capture page, you're going to be able to, that individual capture page is going to save all of those contacts information that have already been exposed to you through your social media platform or some type of paid advertising. So they're going to go here. You're going to have this capture page, and one of the big things that you have to do is to separate yourself. Let's say that this particular affiliate program is a book offer or some type of other information product. Well, you have to separate yourself from the tens of thousands of other people that are offering that same affiliate product, right? And it's the same way with your network marketing company. You definitely want to do everything possible to separate yourself from everyone else that's in the network marketing company or promoting that same affiliate product. And so what you can do is on your capture page, take a lot of the already written sales copy that the corporate page has, build out your own personal capture page, and then put in your own personal bonuses. Personal bonuses may be something like, share using a share code to give people that, come onto your team or people that invest in the affiliate product. It will you can share your share code with them and give them your full funnel. You can give them email copy. You can do, for a certain amount of people, you can do one-on-one mentoring. There's a whole bunch of different bonuses that you can provide. The best type of bonuses are if you're a part of a network marketing team and your upline already has a whole series of exclusive training and share funnels and things like that. Well, then you're able to just pass that on to the people in your downline as they join your business. Not everyone has that capability because not everyone's upline provides those type of things. But that's the type of things that the people on my team and myself provide to the people that join me on my team. But getting back to this, you have your capture page with the exclusive bonuses, and I like to use a book offer. And then when people, so what will happen is people put their name and email and they'll click right here. And that what that does, it does two things at the same time. So it's automatically going to trigger emails to go out to them, right? And then and then at the same time, so when they click right there, it's gonna go ahead and send them to the corporate page of that affiliate product where they can go ahead and make a purchase. Okay, they can go ahead and purchase the product that was advertised over here, and then they'll get the first email that they get will give them the bonuses and everything else that you promised them right here. So something really important also happens is as they're getting these emails, you're gonna have links driving them back over here to this official corporate page, right? Because this is where you want them. This is a product that you see as really high value, and quite honestly, a lot of times it's anywhere between $1, $7. Sometimes I'll do things that have offers up to $50. But as far as I'm concerned, it's the cost of entry for serious people that want to be a part of your team, right? So instead of you going out and hunting down a whole bunch of people that really don't have any sincere interest in doing anything in your network marketing company, then this is a great way of finding out who's serious and who's not. Because if you send them, let's say you send them 5 to 10 emails, and all of them have a link driving them back to this product that you know is extremely beneficial. It may be even information that kind of set you on your path to success in network marketing. And so you really want the people that are going to be in your business, you want them to read that before you even have your first discussion with them, right? Because then that kind of puts you on the same level of communication with that person, and you also find out just how serious they are, right? Because if they're willing to spend at least $1 to $50 to get something that you know is extremely beneficial to them, then that person is someone that you want on your team. But if they're not willing to spend, let's just say $7, then are they really going to do anything? Are they at a stage where they're actually ready to take the network marketing business serious, right? So they'll go over here, and your new lead has the option at that point to go ahead and make a purchase. If they make a purchase through the affiliate corporate page, well, then that affiliate corporate page is going to start sending them emails basically on your behalf with other products and stuff that are extremely beneficial to them. And most obviously it's going to be something in the affiliate marketing or network marketing arena, and possibly you can get some more affiliate income commission, which directly can be rolled back over into doing like paid ads and stuff. And you can kind of start to see how that applies. If you're making money right here from the initial product, and then through these emails driving back, those might be some additional affiliate commissions that you can get. But the main thing to remember right here is make sure it's something that you've already purchased and has provided a whole lot of value to you. Now, getting back over here, you're sending they're in your email sequence, all right? So, for example, like I use Aweber, and so Aweber is going to automatically start sending people out through my automatic email autoresponder. Is going to start sending them out emails, and then at a certain point, whether it's 5 emails or 15 emails later, at a certain point, if you've noticed, so far I have yet to mention anything about the network marketing company that I'm affiliated with or anything like that, right? So unlike how people get on, there's a lot of people that get on Facebook, they get on other social media, and all they do is they talk about how great the product is, they talk about how great the company is and all that type of stuff. And I get it, right? Everyone's excited to be a part of a new business, and they want to promote the products, and they want to or products or service, and they want to promote the network marketing company. But at the same time, you also have to establish yourself as someone that's going to be able to help the person that decides to invest in your network marketing company. So at some point, you're going to have an email that's going to have a special link in it, and that special link is going to drive them to a whole nother funnel, right? So really, when you look at this is 2 separate funnels. The funnel that's at the top up here, this is the affiliate marketing aspect of it. This is this has the self-liquidating offer, right? Self-liquidating meaning if you spend some money up here on advertising, is great if it's free, but especially if you start spending money, you want some type of product that's going to pay for the advertising. And then once they get the email that has a special link in it, then that's when you start to introduce them to and give them the opportunity. You can see right here where it says apply. You're giving them the opportunity to apply and see if you are interested in them and interested, because you're going to be putting in time and energy and helping this person and accepting them as a business partner, right? So the application process allows you to weed out the people that you just don't want in your network marketing company, right? So they'll click on that link that sends them into a completely new funnel, a completely new network marketing sales funnel. You can put an intro video on the first one right here, introducing yourself. There's so many different things that you can do with the video. I recommend just having it be, pretty much just a continuation and introduction to yourself and your team and things like that. And what will happen is if they click right here, yes, they're going to be sent into the next sequence of that funnel, but they're going to be sent into a completely different email autoresponder now, which is, instead of having anything to do with that initial information product, now the emails that are going to them are specifically going to be, once they get over to this application, the official application page, all these emails are going to be have links that go back to this application page right here. So they'll watch the introduction page, they click right here, then they go to the next part of your funnel, which is just a continuation, more information. Then on this third page, this is where you'll actually have a form on here that they have to fill out in order to even be considered to joining your team. Okay. If they get through all of that, then the next page, you can introduce your network marketing company. You can they can click the button right here. They can automatically enroll. There's so many things that you can do with this network marketing funnel. The most important aspect of it, if you're flipping the script, right? So instead of you going out and begging people and doing the 3-way calls and all that type of stuff like this is this is set up more like a real business. If you go open a restaurant or anything like that, it's like, yes, you're going to tell some people about it, but if you notice, all the really popular restaurants, they in other different service business, think of your local plumbing company. Sure, they're going to get some word of mouth, but at the same time, those companies also have a marketing budget because they know within their market they have to constantly be attracting new people to using their services. So, and network marketing is no different. Um, the big difference with network marketing is you have to use in order to use the leverage that network marketing affords us, we have to be able to teach the people that come on to our team how to have a real duplicatable system. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to make some more videos and break down each individual section right here. And I'm also going to start doing videos where you can see me do some live build outs of each section of this particular funnel, and you can use it in your own network marketing company, or you can hit me up and I can give you my share code within ClickFunnels, and you can implement it any way you want to. Until the next video, this is Jason Garza, and I'll see you on the next one.